As some of you may know, I've talked about the exhaust in my 87 Mitsubishi Montero, and basically it's the lack of exhaust. And when fired up, it sounded like I don't know, maybe a 3-cylinder diesel Kubota farm tractor. And finally took care of that today. And I'm gonna take her to Modern Muffler, which is located here in Ocala, Florida. And I've been dealing with modern mufflers probably, I don't know, 35 years. I know John, the owner, has been doing mufflers for over 40 years. So he knows his stuff, and him and his crew do a great job. If you're in the Ocala, Central Florida area and need exhaust, Modern Muffler is the place to come. Well, my girl's finally getting the exhaust put on. So, can't wait for it to get finished. There's a MagnaFlow there, and up front it's going to be a resonator. We're going to install this. Alright, Crusaders, so today, as you can tell, we went and got the muffler done on my Gen 1, so I don't know if you can hear that from the outside or from the inside, but it has a nice little tone to it. It's muffled. It doesn't sound like a 3-cylinder, Kubota farm tractor anymore, so I like that sound, but I like this being a whole lot quieter. So didn't have any backfires or anything, so I'm not getting back pressure because now it has a complete exhaust. So if you ever need muffler work done, make sure you guys contact Modern Muffler here in Ocala, Florida. John and his crew, John's been doing mufflers over 40 years, so he knows what he's doing. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and as always, God bless, and I hope to see each and every one of you on your own adventure.